Hello, my dear beautiful souls. Thank you so much for supporting us. Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday, I was discussing about the common reasons for hair fall. Also, we were discussed on five reasons for hair fall. Also, how to overcome on the hair fall. Today, I'm going to continue the same thing what we left. Okay, so the number six reason for air fall is less intake of proteins. Lack of protein will result in the rationing of protein by shutting down your hair. Less intake of protein through foods makes your hair to fall abnormally in every 2 or 3 months. Sometimes prolonged sickness may also lower the protein levels in the body. There are many rich sources of protein such as fish, liver, meat, and eggs. Adding sufficient amounts of protein rich foods to your daily diet will help you to combat the hair fall. Number seven, hypothyroidism. The hormones produced by thyroid glands play a very crucial role in metabolism, growth, and development of the body and affect the overall functioning of the organ systems. If the thyroid glands are not active, these hormones are not produced properly and this affects the hair cycle too. Hypothyroidism, which means overactive thyroid glands, causes level of hormones to be produced, which also affects the hair cycle. Excess weight loss or weight gain, fatigue, depression, brittle hair, nails and skin are some of the symptoms of abnormal thyroid levels. Take your prescription properly to maintain normal levels of thyroid. Number 8, vitamin B deficiency. Deficiency of vitamin B complex and more particularly vitamin B12 deficiency can accelerate the thinning of your hair. Vitamin B deficiency results in anemia and can cause chronic telogen effluvium, especially in women. Taking vitamin B enriched foods can help you to combat your hair fall and stimulate hair regrowth. The only foods that deliver vitamin B12 are meat, eggs, poultry, dairy products, and other foods from animals. Number 9, polycystic ovary syndrome, which means PCOS. Since this condition can begin even at an early age, you will be already suffering even before you know. There is a particularly no way to prevent PCOS. In this condition, more male hormones are produced and causes unwanted hair to grow over the face, chest, in turn sheds the scalp hair. Main symptoms are irregular menstrual cycles, castus in horses, obesity, facial hair, severe acne, hair fall, high blood pressure, etc. Treatment of PCOS depends on your symptoms. Your doctor may prescribe exercises, diet, and pills to reverse the hormone changes and control PCOS. If you ever miss a menstrual period for several months, consult your family doctor. Number 10, autoimmune system. Hair loss may be caused due to overactive immune system in your body. This kind of hair fall is often known as a alopecia areata due to the overactive immune system. Body gets shocked and disturbed. The overall functioning of the body gets confused. This affects the hair cycle and causes the shedding phase to be very active. Steroid injection and drugs like Rogan are thus stored to treat this condition. Number 11, sudden weight loss. Sudden weight loss may be caused due to diet changes or after an illness. Losing a weight suddenly may itself trigger the hair fall or may cause fall of vitamin levels in the body, which in turn affects hair cycle indirectly. After a sudden dramatic weight loss, hair shedding may last for about 4 to 6 months, and nutrition, diets, or supplements can help you to bat this hair fall quickly. So, Let's discuss the remaining points tomorrow. Let's stop here today. Thank you so much for listening or watching to us. Please do subscribe on social media, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you. Have a nice day.